I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. Today, we are going to learn about personal pronouns in English. For example, Tushara is a teacher. We can say, he is a teacher. Here, the word he is a personal pronoun. Let's look at the most common personal pronouns. Repeat after me. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Now, let's see how to use them in sentences. I am a student. We are Sri Lankans. You are my friend. You are boys. He is a doctor. She is a teacher. It is a cat. They are playing. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence with a name. You say it again using a pronoun. Ready? Example 1. Anna is dancing. Ben and I are friends. Example 3. The dogs are barking. Good job. So today we learnt what a personal pronoun is. The 8 basic personal pronouns, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And how to use them in sentences. Remember, pronouns make your sentences shorter, smoother, and more natural in English. Great work today! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy, and keep learning English with Sinhala.